Hello and welcome to How to Helen. It's my birthday car, and now I'm staying here at Aqua Hotel in Long Island by Riverhead. Forgot the state, so bear with me. I'm just gonna put it here, what state I'm in or county. But let's check out the room. Key card, room 16, and check it out. And check out the view. This is worth going to. Now, I don't know what this room is for, but it looks cool, right? So enjoy the view. That's why we're here. And this is another episode of How to Helen. It's my birthday, and thank you for watching.
Meanwhile,
What's nice about our hotel room is it comes with our Nespresso machine. So let's make coffee. Let's have coffee.
Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we are staying here in Aqua Beach Resort in Long Island, New York. This is an adults only beach resort, so sorry kids, you're not allowed here. If it was the weekend and a little bit warmer, this would be the location of the tiki bar here in the beach. Unfortunately, it is too cold to serve alcoholic drinks and snacks right now. So we'll have to wait for summer. Another unique amenities that they have is they have this outdoor sauna that you can use while you're staying in the resort. But you have to have reservations to use it so that the sauna doesn't get overcrowded when people are using it. So book your reservations first. It is very cozy. And you have a nice view of the beach while in here. Here's another amenity that they have. It's called an igloo room. It's a room in the beach facing the water. So you can hang out here at night, have a couple of drinks, or just play cards and just hang out. Here, take a look. Oh, you need a key. I forgot my key. So I guess just peek through the window. This is the outdoor hot tub for everyone. Again, it is still too cold to have this open, but as you can see or hear, it is bubbling. So maybe we have a chance tomorrow night. Let's see. The jacuzzi's ready. Now, if you're interested in staying here, here is a range of accommodations that they offer. Let's start with the deluxe suites, which have either the garden view, the beach view, and the canal view. And to verify with my Filipino viewers, this is the canal view. The canal view is the outlet of water that joins the beach. And I had to verify that with our Filipino viewers because in the Philippines we have a different definition of canals and esteros. So this is the canal view. It is very clean, and as you can see, the water flows smoothly going to the beach. There's no garbage, no basuras in it. Next, as you can see behind me, are the superior suites with outdoor jacuzzis, and they are heated so you can use them at night. Next on the second floor are the luxury suites and the penthouse suites, and they have their own outdoor jacuzzis and facing the beach.
The next day.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. So the delivery person didn't want to show their face on camera, but they did deliver us our breakfast basket. And as you can see, it is in an actual basket. Nice. So let's see what's inside. So let's start with our coffee and juices on the top. Ta-da! And here's our unboxing or unbasketing. Oh, nice. You have actual utensils on top. Real utensils, not plastics. Then we got our bagel upside down. Oops. Muffin. Another bagel. Yogurt, my diet food. Some jam. Blueberry jam. Oranges and teas. That is so nice. Fancy.
2 hours later.
Here's a set of outdoor furnitures overlooking the canal where you can have your s'mores party. This is the grill where you can cook your s'mores, which you can avail from the front desk. Now, unfortunately, last night it was too cold to do some s'mores, so we're just gonna come back in the future when the weather's warm. It is really very cold right now to attempt to swim in the beach, so maybe we'll come back when it's warmer and the weather's better. One of the amenities that you can use while staying in the resort is you have this private outdoor beds that you can use while swimming in the beach. Ah, it's too cold. They also have kayaks available so you can go around the bay. Just don't go too far. And for the water connoisseur and enthusiast, the water is very calm. It is also very clear. Look at that. And very cold. Yeah. Ah. So it's too cold for Helen right now to come here by the beach because it's only 40 degrees and it's even too cold for me. But that is the tour of Aqua Beach Hotel here in Aquabogue, Long Island, New York. I hope you like it. It is worth going to. That is a good getaway for a weekend for adults. So this has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arja, and thank you for watching. So earlier when we were going around the area, I couldn't figure out why they put a sunlight, daylight. What would you call this thing?
Like a sunroom or something.
Yeah, a sunroom in the middle of the beach. But now that it's 7 p.m. and the temperature dropped, I completely understand. And when you're in here, you can enjoy the view without getting cold. Just look at the view. So even though we can enjoy the beach right now, we can at least enjoy the view without getting cold. And here's a different angle, and behind us you can see the different types of rooms. Depending on what you paid for, you can get a garden room, a beachfront room, or a canal room. And some of them have optional outdoor jacuzzis. But we're good with our shed. Maybe we can live here for a few days, right?
Or 20 years.
Or 20 years. It's good enough. So beyond your patios is a common area so you can have your picnic table, this sky room, there's a hammock, and the beach is over there at the end. We're gonna try to go there tomorrow when it's warmer because if we go now, we're gonna freeze ourselves to death. And we don't want that. Just so you know, this is a last second trip, so we didn't have any scripts ready and we didn't really know what to expect. Oh, and we forgot to mention this is an adults themed resort, so kids are not allowed. So leave your kids at home with your parents, grandparents, or just ship them to the Philippines.
For 2 days.
For 2 days, 1 week, forever. I know how it feels, so I can relate.